have come across publications and video recordings by some members of the bench who complain that the 14 days the court is given to determine a dispute concerning the presidential election is too short. And I'm saying that statement demonstrates the failure of, with due respect, the honorable judges of this court to understand the electoral architecture in the Constitution of Kenya 2010. The Constitution of Kenya 2010 only anticipates a digital election. And if we are dealing with a digital election, 14 days is too much. But if you are dealing with a